Welcome to the $1 Million Challenge, where we have set ourselves a challenge to turn $1,000 into $1 million. Before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's begin. We use TradingView as our trading platform. When you first open TradingView, you can see a very simple chart, to which we will be adding my favorite indicators, the Smart System. The Smart System has three components: the Smart Cloud, Smart Trend, and Smart Vision. Now let's begin with our trade 1. As you can see, Smart Vision is green and we have a clear buy signal. So we enter at 18.13 and we exit at 18.42, making a total profit of $372. Next, let's move on to trade number 2. We entered at 18.42 and we exited at 18.38, making a total profit of $160. Then we jumped right back into this buy trade. Smart Vision is green, we have a buy signal. We entered at 18.38 and we followed it all the way through and we exited at 18.41. And now let's move on to our trade 4. We entered at 18.37 and we exited at 18.44, making a total profit of $258. As you can see, we started with $1,000 and we made a profit of $1,064.73. Now our account balance is over $2,000. Remember, to make this challenge, we are not allowed to make any withdrawals. A lot of you have been asking about the Smart System that we use in our trading. Here's a short video which will tell you all about the system and where you can get it.
If you're struggling to make money in Forex, you need to try this amazing trading system. I want to share with you today a highly profitable trading system used by banks, institutes, and over 90,000 traders. The Smart System tells you exactly when to buy and to sell. It's easy to follow and it takes all the stress and worry out of trading. In fact, this is the only trading system you'll ever need. If you want to take your trading to the next level, you need to try the Smart System from smartforextrading.com. Head over to smartforextrading.com to check out the Smart System now.